Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using Fil. Fil is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of spacetime. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. A difficult task. And the repercussions of Russia's growing digital isolation for its citizens will be immense. Russia's increasing digital isolation. More than 85% of Russians use the internet. Since the Ukraine invasion began, people in Russia have found themselves increasingly deprived of online services such as Facebook, Twitter and even Netflix, with Russia either limiting access to sites or providers withdrawing services. There's no Facebook in Russia right now. Pixpay major financial players have pulled out too, including Apple Pay, Google Pay and most major credit card providers, significantly impacting e-commerce. Russia itself has also introduced a digital divide with the rest of the world, despite the fact this may further cripple its economy. It is expected to start withdrawing from the global internet by March 11, according to Kremlin documents. Russia has long imposed control over state-run media, but tolerated a level of free access to content and services through the internet. While such freedoms have been progressively diminished, citizens have still been able to stay connected to the wider web. This open access is now being revoked. Russia will assert dominance over internet services and impose strict censorship on local media organizations in an attempt to control information and reinforce Kremlin propaganda. From its April 2021 high. It's worthy to note that the project shows a lot of promise, which hasn't really translated into its price action. After 6 September 2021, investors have been wondering if it's a long-term downtrend or just a good time to buy the dip. Here is the answer. Even though Bitcoin has been trying hard to cross the psychological level, Fil seems dormant in this regard. Bears have been driving the Fil market for quite a long time now. Well, in the current market structure, if the bulls defend and exert pressure, Fil might go up to test its local top at $21.68. And, in case the selling pressure kicks in, the token might tumble down even below its $16.98 floor. At the time, the Filecoin market needs buyers to defy the long-term bearish momentum. However, it's important to note that due to the token's unimpressive performance, a lot of investors have preferred to walk off cutting losses. Investors who bought the token in the bear market of September 2021 must have been feeling guilty now. Also, it's interesting to note that even though there has been an increase in volume at some points, the price hasn't responded to it at an equal level. RSI, at the time of writing, stood at the 49 mark looking south. Notably, technicals make it obvious to understand that the current market isn't offering buy the dip opportunity. But what about the metrics? Well, the price chart may not be able to show the latent money-making opportunity. But on-chain metrics reveal the true picture. And, in the case Filecoin, the scenario looks dull and worrisome. The on-chain volume has been decreasing unexpectedly. Even though there have been a few upticks in 2022, but none of it could match the highs of 2021. This clearly reveals that traders have been exiting their positions. In fact, the long-term holders have also been choosing to sell their tokens. For investors' sentiment to stay strong, the coin's social dominance plays an important role. Well, Fil's social dominance has been below zero after 10 November 2021. Its sell-for can change rapidly and spontaneously, but your investments do not need to suffer from this. How? Pick the perfect time to invest in a coin, the pre-sales. This is a time that many investors consider to generate maximum profits as they allow you to purchase a token at a premium price. Losing money is not something you have to worry about when investing in the digital economy, and when we take a look at how far crypto market has come, we see it has already pushed beyond the $2 trillion wall, rapidly making its way to $3 trillion. As such, many investors have placed their trust in the crypto sphere, and in return have made millions. How to invest in crypto? There is no reason as to why you haven't started investing in cryptos, and although it does not seem easy at first, the good news is you do not need years of experience to start making the right investments. In order to start to invest smart, there is one thing you should be aware of, and that is the volatility of the price value of cryptocurrencies. All that means is that the prices that crypto coins sell for can change rapidly and spontaneously, but your investments do not need to suffer from this. How? Pick the perfect time to invest in a coin, the pre-sales. This is a time that many investors consider to generate maximum profits as they allow you to purchase a token at a premium price. Losing money is not something you have to worry about when investing in the digital economy, and when we take a look at how far crypto market has come, we see it has already pushed beyond the $2 trillion wall, rapidly making its way to $3 trillion. As such, many investors have placed their trust in the crypto sphere, and in return have made millions. How to invest in crypto? There is no reason as to why you haven't started investing in cryptos, and although it does not seem easy at first, the good news is you do not need years of experience to start making the right investments. In order to start to invest smart, there is one thing you should be aware of, and that is the volatility of the price value of cryptocurrencies. In advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Filecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $109.46. Phil is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of $93.17, a minimum price of $90.60, and a maximum price of $109.46. Phil price prediction 2026. The value of Filecoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Phil is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average Phil price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Phil's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. Phil price prediction 2027. Phil will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Filecoin price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Filecoin rate will be almost $180.24. The maximum bet we can get is $216.72. Filecoin average price prediction for the end of 2027 could be around $185.55. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin price prediction 2028. It looks like by 2028, Filecoin, Phil, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be $277.57. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Filecoin's maximum price could be up to $312.37 in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin price prediction 2029. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Filecoin could cross $472.60 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2029.